Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Alight Motion supports custom fonts on your device and that you have the font link or font file accessible. Tap to open the project and the text layer where you want the font. Once done, switch to the Export/Import or Font section inside the app. This is where you will add the font resource. Make sure your internet is stable if you're pasting a web font link and that the file is downloaded if using a local font file. Now import the font. Open the text layer, tap the font selector, then choose Import Font or Add Custom Font. If you have a web font link, paste it into the URL field and confirm. If you have a file, browse your device and select the TTF or OTT file. The app will upload and convert the font. This can take a few seconds. After it finishes, the new font appears in your list. Make sure to select it so the text updates in the composition. Finish by selecting the newly imported font and tweak size, letter spacing, and alignment to match your design. Export a test frame or short clip to verify the font renders correctly on other devices. If the font does not appear or shows fallback letters, re-import the same link or file. Make sure the file is not corrupted. As one quick troubleshooting tip, clear Alight Motion's cache or restart the app before trying the import again, because cached data can block new font installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.